Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to make your Payhip store look good by customizing its appearance. We'll walk through every detail, step by step, to create a professional and engaging store for your customers. Let's get started. First, open your browser and visit Payhip and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Look for the Customize Design option and click on it. This will open the page builder where you can edit the layout and style of your store. On the left side of the page builder, you will notice various sections that represent different parts of your store. Let's begin by focusing on the header section, which serves as an essential component of your store's design and functionality. The header typically includes key elements such as your store logo, navigation links, a search bar, and a call to action button designed to guide visitors toward important actions. To customize any of these elements, simply click on them within the page builder. For instance, if you want to update your navigation links, select the option labeled Edit Navigation Links. Here, you will have the ability to make changes, such as adding new links, removing existing ones, or rearranging their order to better suit your store's layout. If you want to include a link that directs users to an external web page, all you need to do is input the URL in the appropriate field and assign it a name that will display on the navigation menu. After making your desired adjustments, click the Apply Changes button to ensure your edits are reflected. Once you are satisfied with the overall design and functionality of the header, click Save Changes to preserve your work. It is important to remember that any modifications you make will not be visible on the live version of your store until you click the Publish button. This step is crucial to ensure your updates are accessible to your visitors. Let's proceed to the store logo. This is where you can replace the default text with an image to give your store a more professional and customized appearance. To begin, click directly on the logo section in your editor. A menu will appear with the option to upload an image. Select Upload Image and then choose the desired file from your computer. Once the image is uploaded, you can adjust its size using the height slider to ensure it fits well within the design. If you want your store to have a different logo displayed specifically on mobile devices, you have the flexibility to upload a separate logo tailored for smaller screens. This option ensures your brand looks its best across all devices. After you've completed your adjustments and are satisfied with how the logo appears, make sure to save your work. Once everything is finalized, publish the changes so your updated logo is visible to your audience. Next, let's work on adding an announcement bar to your store, which is a great way to grab attention and communicate important updates or promotions to your visitors. Begin by locating the option to enable the announcement bar and clicking on Show Announcement Bar. Once enabled, this bar will appear prominently at the top of your store, making it visible to anyone who visits your site. It's an ideal space for displaying concise messages such as promotional offers, limited time discounts, or important updates. For example, you might use it to announce a sale by writing something like 50% off on all products. To make the message even more eye-catching and engaging, you can incorporate emojis, such as a shopping bag or a fire emoji, to emphasize urgency or excitement. After you've customized the text and style of the announcement bar to align with your store's branding, remember to save your changes and publish them to ensure the bar is live and visible to your customers. Now let's move on to customizing the product collections, an important aspect of designing your store. This section is where all the products you're offering are displayed, and it plays a crucial role in creating a visually appealing and user-friendly shopping experience. You have the flexibility to rearrange the order of your collections simply by dragging and dropping them into the preferred arrangement. This makes it easy to prioritize certain collections or organize them in a way that aligns with your brand or marketing strategy. You can also modify how your products are presented by adjusting the number of items displayed per row. This feature allows you to choose between a compact grid with more products visible at once or a spacious design that gives each product more emphasis. Additionally, you have control over the spacing between the products, helping you create a layout that feels either tightly packed or more open, depending on the aesthetic you're going for. Other customization options include toggling the display of product prices and modifying the background color of this section. Turning the price display on or off can influence how visitors perceive your store, while adjusting the background color provides an opportunity to match this section with your brand's overall color scheme. Experiment with these settings to find a combination that not only looks good, but also enhances the browsing experience for your customers. When you're satisfied with your adjustments, remember to save and publish your changes to ensure they are reflected in your live store. For the About Me section, you have the flexibility to replace the default text and images with content that better reflects your personality or the purpose of your store. Simply click on the image to adjust its position or replace it with a new one that aligns with your branding or personal style. When editing the text, consider sharing meaningful details about yourself, your store's mission, or the unique services or products you offer. Additionally, you can take full advantage of customization options to make this section visually appealing and engaging. Adjust the background to match your overall theme, change the font size to ensure readability, and modify the alignment to create a cohesive and polished layout. Once you're satisfied with the changes, don't forget to save your work and publish it to ensure your audience sees the updated content. Finally, let's take a closer look at the footer, which is the bottom section of your store and an essential part of your website's design. This area provides a great opportunity to display important information or engage with your audience. You can add icons to make navigation more intuitive, include social media links to connect with your audience on different platforms, or share other details like contact information or legal disclaimers. In addition to adding content, you have the option to customize the appearance of the footer by adjusting its colors, fonts, and button styles, allowing you to align it with your store's overall theme and branding. If you want to take the design a step further, there are advanced customization options available, which may include using coding features within the settings. These allow you to personalize your footer more extensively and achieve a unique look. Once you've made all your desired changes, be sure to save and publish them so they live on your site for visitors to see. That's how you can customize your Payhip store to make it look unique and professional. If you want to try Payhip for free, no credit card is required. You can find the link to sign up in the description below.